Before performance fabrics transformed sportswear. Before stretch denim became commonplace. Before comfort became one of fashion's most valuable selling points. Clothing followed a different philosophy. Fit the body, or force the body to fit the clothing. For centuries, garments often prioritized appearance over comfort, structure over flexibility, formality over movement. Even simple accessories reflected this mindset. Belts, for example, performed a straightforward task. They secured clothing around the waist. Nothing more, nothing less. Yet beneath this ordinary function existed a surprisingly persistent problem. Human bodies move constantly. We sit, stand, walk, run, lift, stretch, breathe. Traditional belts rarely adapted to these changes. The wearer adapted instead. Then a simple innovation appeared. An innovation that introduced flexibility into one of fashion's oldest accessories. The elastic belt. Today, elastic belts seem almost ordinary. They appear in casual fashion, sportswear, workwear, travel clothing, children's garments, uniforms. Millions of people wear them without giving much thought to their history. Yet the elastic belt represents a significant shift in how designers approach clothing. It reflects an important realization. Comfort is not merely a luxury. Comfort is a form of engineering. To understand the significance of the elastic belt, we must first examine the traditional belt. Belts have existed for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations used straps, cords, and leather bands to secure clothing and carry tools. These early belts served practical purposes. Weapons, pouches, equipment, garments, everything required support. The belt became one of humanity's most enduring accessories. Its basic concept remained remarkably consistent across centuries. A strap around the waist. A fastening mechanism. A secure fit. Simple, effective, yet not particularly adaptable. Traditional belts relied upon fixed adjustment points. A buckle. A series of holes. A predetermined fit. The system worked, but only within limits. Bodies fluctuate throughout the day. Movement changes posture. Meals alter waist measurements slightly. Physical activity affects comfort. Traditional belts often struggled to accommodate these realities. The search for greater flexibility coincided with broader industrial developments. One material proved especially important. Elastic. The history of elastic materials is closely connected to advances in rubber technology. Natural rubber fascinated inventors and manufacturers because of its unique properties. Stretching, recovery, resilience. These characteristics opened entirely new possibilities. For the first time, clothing could adapt dynamically to the body, rather than remaining rigid. This shift would influence countless garments. The elastic belt emerged from this technological transformation. At its core, the idea was elegantly simple. Incorporate stretch into the belt itself. Allow movement, allow adjustment, allow comfort. The result fundamentally changed the user experience. Instead of constantly resisting motion, the belt began cooperating with it. Psychology helps explain why this mattered. Humans notice discomfort immediately. Comfort often goes unnoticed. When clothing restricts movement, attention shifts toward irritation, pressure, pinching, adjustment, distraction. These small annoyances accumulate. Designers increasingly recognized that reducing friction improves overall satisfaction. The elastic belt excelled in this regard. Its success came not from dramatic innovation but from eliminating minor frustrations. Many great products operate exactly this way. The engineering behind elastic belts deserves attention. Stretch materials must achieve a delicate balance. Too little elasticity reduces effectiveness. Too much elasticity compromises support. Durability matters. Recovery matters. Consistency matters. Engineers and textile manufacturers spent decades refining these characteristics. Modern elastic materials represent the culmination of extensive experimentation. The final product appears simple. The science behind it is anything but simple. Work environments accelerated adoption. Workers frequently bend, lift, climb, and move throughout the day. Rigid accessories can interfere with these activities. Elastic belts provided a practical solution. Comfort improved, mobility improved, productivity often improved. Employers and workers both recognized the benefits. The accessory gained popularity across numerous industries. Its appeal extended far beyond fashion. Military organizations also appreciated flexibility. Uniforms require reliability. They must function under diverse conditions. Elastic components helped accommodate movement while maintaining professional appearance. Many modern tactical and utility belts incorporate stretch elements for precisely this reason. The principle remains remarkably effective. Athletics introduced another important chapter. Sports place extraordinary demands on clothing. Athletes move continuously. Performance depends upon freedom of motion. Any unnecessary restriction becomes a disadvantage. Elastic belts naturally aligned with these requirements. Golf, running, training, outdoor recreation. The accessory found enthusiastic audiences among active users. The relationship between sports and fashion strengthened its visibility. As athletic influences entered mainstream clothing, elastic belts benefited. The late 20th century witnessed a broader cultural shift toward comfort. Previous generations often accepted discomfort as part of dressing well. Modern consumers increasingly questioned this assumption. Why should style require sacrifice? Why should appearance come at the expense of ease? Designers responded. Stretch fabrics expanded. Ergonomic design gained importance. The elastic belt fit perfectly within this movement. It represented a practical expression of changing priorities. Fashion adapted to people rather than demanding the opposite. Travel further increased popularity. Long journeys expose weaknesses in clothing design. Hours spent sitting reveal pressure points. Rigid accessories become noticeable. Comfort becomes valuable. Elastic belts address these challenges effectively. Travelers appreciated adaptability. The accessory earned a reputation for convenience. Convenience often drives long-term success. Technology continued improving materials. Synthetic fibers introduced new possibilities. Manufacturers developed stronger, lighter, and more durable elastic structures. Performance improved dramatically. Modern elastic belts often maintain appearance while providing substantial flexibility. Many users barely notice the technology at work. That invisibility reflects successful design. The best engineering frequently disappears into the experience itself. Environmental considerations now influence development as well. Manufacturers increasingly explore sustainable materials and production methods. Elastic belts continue evolving. New fibers, new weaving techniques, new manufacturing processes. The innovation cycle remains active. Even mature products continue improving. This ongoing refinement reflects the accessory's enduring relevance. Perhaps the most fascinating aspect of the elastic belt is what it reveals about modern design philosophy. Earlier eras often celebrated rigidity. Structure symbolized discipline. Control symbolized quality. Today, flexibility carries increasing value. Adaptability, responsiveness, user-centered design. The elastic belt embodies these principles. It adjusts, accommodates, responds, rather than imposing limitations. Its success reflects broader cultural changes. The accessory teaches an important lesson. Progress does not always require complexity. Sometimes progress means making ordinary objects more comfortable, more intuitive, more human. The elastic belt achieved precisely that. And beneath the woven fibers, beneath the stretch materials, beneath the workshops, factories, sports fields, workplaces, and generations of practical innovation, the elastic belt tells a larger story. A story about adaptation, about engineering, about humanity's growing understanding that comfort itself has value. Because throughout history, technology has often focused on doing more, the elastic belt focused on something different. Doing things better, more naturally, more comfortably, more intelligently. The result became one of the most successful everyday accessories of the modern era. A triumph of ergonomic design, a symbol of flexibility, a quiet revolution in comfort, and proof that even the simplest inventions can improve millions of lives.